Good morning, I'm Brad Smith, and we're coming to you from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, my name is Brad Smith, and today we congratulate the Trade Desk on its initial public offering and welcome them to the NASDAQ family. Reporting from the NASDAQ in Times Square, I'm Brad Smith, and this is your market brief. Good afternoon. We are live from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, New York City. Happy Monday to everybody watching. We're here with today's market update. Your headline for today is U.S. stocks open at all-time highs. We take you behind the scenes of every IPO here at the NASDAQ. Today, we've got a very special treat. We've got Aptio, and actually joining me right now is their Chief Marketing Officer, Chris Pick. Chris, congratulations on this milestone occasion. How does it feel to be here today?
Thank you, Brad. It feels amazing.
Internationally, she's known as Tori with the Gold Flare. Joining us today, we have Tori Bowie, gold medal winner on the women's 4x100 meter relay team, silver medalist on the women's 100 meter race, and bronze medalist on the women's 200 meter race. Tori, welcome to NASDAQ.
Thank you so much.
How was the experience this year at the Olympics?
Well, you know, the experience was absolutely amazing. I feel like it was everything that I dreamed of.
We are live from the NASDAQ market site with today's market update. Thanks for tuning in. Your headline for today is hashtag turn up the volume. So we'll get to that in just one moment. As you can see, Apple having another grand day, outperforming on a big scale. Additionally, the NASDAQ composite up about 0.7%. And Facebook, who we're broadcasting on live, is up 0.4% at the moment. U.S. stocks opened up mixed to start the week as the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Averages closed marginally lower on hump day, while the NASDAQ composite continued to see new record highs. Wednesday's all-time high close at 5,283, coming of course following Tuesday's record closing mark, pushing the year-to-date growth for the composite to 5.5%. Definitely an exciting day. Number one, I mean, the stat that we heard earlier, number one performing IPO of 2016 here on the NASDAQ. Congratulations, that's a major accomplishment.
Thank you very much. Absolutely. So surreal.
Definitely. For the Facebook audience, can you tell us a little bit about the Trade Desk? We are now in the quotation period. So as you can see behind us, there are over 1 million paired shares at an indicative price of $23.40. So essentially, if the stock were to open right now, they would already be a significant percentage above what they priced at last night. And remember, as mentioned earlier, they priced above their range. So the range was originally $13 to $15, and they priced at $16. In tech, all eyes were on Apple as their highly anticipated product launch event took place on Wednesday. The tech powerhouse announced iOS 10, Apple Music redesigns, major developments for iWork, a faster, thinner, swimmer-friendly Apple Watch Series 2, and the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. What you should continue to watch for following this announcement, look out for semiconductors to see significant price action correlated to Apple's new products announcement. In particular, Jabil, Broadcom, and Flextronics are three companies analysts will be keeping a close eye on as we move forward throughout the week. And there you have it from the NASDAQ market site in New York City. Congratulations to Aptio, now trading as a NASDAQ-listed company. Certainly feel free to come back anytime. I'll challenge you to a game of basketball. How about that? Because I know I'm not winning on the track. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Brad Smith. Stay tuned for more to come from the NASDAQ market site throughout the rest of the week. Stay tuned to your Facebook feed. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Brad Smith.